There are many kinds of healings, and magnetic healing is not a medical healing. We are artists and have worked for many years with this method with adults and children. We cooperated with psychologists, so we do not call this physical healing because it pertains to doctors. We are talking of healing in the sense of having a general balance in our lives so that we do not get ill. Why and when do we become ill? When the electrical and magnetic energy of our body gets blocked. Magnetism is a part of life. The Earth, which has its own magnetic field, receives a magnetic field from the Sun. Each human being has his or her own magnetic field and bioelectric magnetic field. During our magnetic healing seminars, we teach people to distinguish the difference between the electric and magnetic energy of their bodies. Our environment is usually electrically and magnetically overloaded because there are mobile phones, computers, Wi-Fi, television sets, radios, etc. If you work with a computer for a long time, or if you are very sensitive, you feel this electrical overload and get very tired. When I work with the computer for many hours, I get more tired than when I work with the Earth. We feel tired because the excess of electric charges lowers our magnetic field. In the same way as the Earth has its own magnetosphere, which protects it from the sun rays and other agents coming from the outside, so human beings have their magnetic field protecting them from electromagnetic radiations, illnesses, and many other factors. If we have a strong magnetic field, we are psychologically and physically balanced. Therefore, our balance is both in our mind and in our soul. Psyche means soul in Greek. 50 years ago, you were not able to measure the electromagnetic field, while nowadays there are many ways to do it scientifically. 20 years ago, these subjects seemed very strange, like paranormal activities, but in some hospitals they are now measuring the electric and magnetic field of the brain and of the heart. Experiments in different parts of the world have showed that by slightly changing the magnetic field behind some volunteers' ears, these people lost the concept of the good and evil. In fact, they saw a person physically attacked and thought it was a good thing, and lost their moral and ethical sense. This experiment shows the danger of having a weak magnetic field and being unaware of it. Once we would say that a person had a great soul strength. What strength were we talking about? Some American studies have found that the magnetic field of the heart is 5,000 times larger than the magnetic field of the brain. Having a great soul strength therefore means having a great magnetic strength. This magnetic field brings physical strength as well. Short, thin people with great soul strength often have a great physical strength, which we would not expect from his or her body build and musculature.